Squid completely changed my health journey when conventional solutions failed me. 3 years ago, chronic fatigue dominated my life, despite trying countless supplements, diets, and even medical interventions. My productivity plummeted, relationships suffered, and that vital spark that makes life enjoyable had dimmed to near extinction. During a coastal vacation, I reluctantly joined friends for seafood at a local restaurant. The chef specialized in simply prepared calamari, not the typical breaded and fried variety, but lightly grilled with olive oil and lemon. Skeptical but desperate, I tried it. Surprisingly, the next morning, I woke with noticeable clarity and energy I hadn't experienced in months. Curious if this was mere coincidence, I began researching squid's nutritional profile while incorporating it into my meals twice weekly. The transformation was subtle but undeniable. My energy steadily increased, mental fog lifted, and physical stamina returned. But why? Squid contains an exceptional concentration of vitamin B12, crucial for energy metabolism and neural function. Just 3 ounces provides over 300% of your daily requirement, significantly more than many other animal proteins. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition has demonstrated that B12 at this level helps optimize mitochondrial function, your cellular energy factories that directly impact vitality. What truly distinguishes squid is its unique combination of copper and selenium. These minerals work synergistically to support thyroid function, your body's metabolic regulator. Studies from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that even subclinical deficiencies in these minerals can manifest as unexplained fatigue, weight changes, and diminished cognitive performance. Most impressive is squid's taurine content, an amino acid that supports cardiovascular efficiency and cellular energy transport. The International Journal of Molecular Sciences has documented how taurine enhances muscle function and recovery, potentially explaining the improved physical resilience many experience after adding squid to their diet. Squid also contains a rare nutrient called phosphatidylserine that supports brain cell membrane integrity. Research in nutritional neuroscience suggests this compound helps optimize neurotransmitter function related to mental clarity, focus, and cognitive stamina, addressing the mental fatigue that often accompanies physical exhaustion. My clients who've incorporated squid report improvements typically beginning within 2-3 weeks of consistent consumption. Many note enhanced workout recovery, better sleep quality, and more stable energy throughout the day without the crashes associated with caffeine or sugar. For optimal benefits, I recommend 3-4 ounces of squid twice weekly, prepared simply by grilling, sautéing, or light simmering in broth. Avoid heavy breading or deep frying, which diminishes nutritional value while adding inflammatory compounds. Fresh is ideal, but high-quality frozen squid retains most benefits and offers convenience. Preparation matters significantly. Overcooked squid becomes tough and less digestible, potentially reducing nutrient absorption. Cook quickly over high heat, 1-2 minutes, or slowly at low temperatures, 30+ minutes, for tender results. Adding vitamin C-rich ingredients like lemon, tomatoes, or bell peppers enhances iron absorption from the squid. Despite its benefits, squid isn't appropriate for everyone. Those with shellfish allergies should exercise caution, though true squid allergies are relatively rare. Individuals on blood thinners should consult healthcare providers due to squid's vitamin K content. Responses vary based on individual nutritional status and biochemistry. Always consult healthcare professionals before using any food therapeutically. While squid offers impressive nutritional support, it works best within a comprehensive approach to health. Combining squid consumption with adequate hydration, stress management, and regular movement amplifies its energy-enhancing effects. Tracking your response helps determine personal benefits. I recommend noting energy levels, mental clarity, and physical recovery before starting and after 3-4 weeks of regular consumption. This data helps confirm whether squid specifically addresses your unique fatigue pattern. Sustainability matters when choosing seafood. Look for squid certified by the Marine Stewardship Council or similar organizations to ensure your health-supporting choices also protect ocean ecosystems. What fascinates me most about squid is how this ancient food source, consumed by coastal cultures worldwide for millennia, contains precisely the nutrient profile many modern individuals lack for optimal energy production. Sometimes traditional wisdom precedes scientific validation by centuries. My energy transformation wasn't overnight improvements accumulated gradually with consistent consumption.